And I want to do something. This is going to sound a little weird, but check this out. Everybody who watches me and follows me, if you want to, I want you to DM me 3 words. Just 3 random words. If I pick your 3 random words, I'm going to write a rap song off those 3 words. And if I pick you, I'll name the song your name. Let's get it. Another thing. I was watching a reaction video probably about 30 minutes ago. I've been watching them for like an hour. This guy was like, why would anybody want to live like this? Get out there, see the world, do things, get out of your hometown. Well, listen, dog. If everybody done that, the word explorer wouldn't be a definition, now would it? Because it's for a specific kind of person. Some people want to go travel the world. Some people are like me. I'm consistent and hanging out around my town, driving back roads, hanging out with my buddies, and continuing to make memories here. People like me wonder why people like you want to leave what you know and go out here and explore a bunch of you don't know. You know? If that's how you are, that's cool. But there's people like me that are just chilling, bro. I bring people together, bro. With the stuff I say, the music I make. And that's why they trying to get rid of your boy, dog.
Like ride your bike around the neighborhood, go in the woods, just fire.
You know what, bro? You know why people get mad at me? I think other artists try to cancel me because I understand there's white folks that only want to hang with white folks. Whatever, do you think? I know there's black folks that only want to hang with black folks. Whatever, do you think? I know there's folks that don't give a fuck, like myself. Whatever, do you think? Boom, that's why. Because I got country songs that I got the hoodists reacting to them, and they're like, respect. I got the whitest in the world from the whitest countries listening to my rap music being like, yo, this bumps, mate. Stop doing that. I'm finna go stretch. I'm gonna go freshen up on my full of stunting skills. Good. Like riding a bicycle. Your boy got it. Still got it. Always gonna got it. Fucking. Alright, so my Mustang won't start, so we pulling out the Kane Brown truck, dog. If y'all don't know the history behind this truck, this actually was Kane Brown's truck. Let's run it. Jumping off the Fox body. Fuck it! So the police called me telling me somebody called the police department saying, oh, I'm gonna come to Cheatham County and kill Ryan Upchurch. So here's my message to you. I don't give a fuck. I hear about myself all the time. Hey, you guys, I want to let y'all know that I love y'all very much. And I want to let y'all know that I don't try to... When people say shit, I gotta let these guys know I'm not scared of them, bro. Because I'm not. And just because you're popular or famous don't mean you gotta stop letting people know that you ain't scared of them. We're grown. We're older now. You got gas money, bro. You can pull up right beside me. And if you're a rapper, bro, stop talking behind closed doors. Say it on the microphone. I know which ones are saying what, but ain't none of them saying it out in public. Because don't nobody want to get owned by the country dude. That's what it is. None of these rappers scare me. None of these people who talk shit scare me. None of these people who threaten me scare me. I just flat out ain't scared, bro. So with that being said, skins, I love y'all. Hope y'all have a good work week. See y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Preach what? What up, guys? So I told y'all like 3 days ago that this was going to happen, that I was going to be in the news, and guess what? I was right, like always. And to the guy who wrote it, Daniel Levine, man, country music rapper Ryan Upchurch. You act like you sound like you don't know what you're talking about. Just say musician or entertainer. You don't have to make it sound extra dumb. It already sounds dumb because the way you wrote it. All right, listen to me, man. All y'all country singers in Nashville. I just seen something about Carrie Underwood getting canceled. A couple months ago, it was Luke Combs getting canceled. 2 months ago, it was Morgan Wallen getting canceled. Listen to me, dude. All y'all gotta stop saying sorry and putting yourself in these positions where y'all look weak. Stand up. This is America, dude. We ain't supposed to be saying sorry for everything. We ain't supposed to be bowing down because somebody don't, what? Like our shirt we wear made of 100% cotton. Oh, my God. His shirt has a design on it. That ain't what country music's about. We look like a nail shop, okay? We're supposed to look like a gun shop, all right? What, you think they're not going to buy your music if you don't say sorry? Nah, they'll probably buy more of y'all's music. And you know what? And if you're a country singer in Nashville and you take what I'm saying the wrong way, I'm saying this for your own good. Because listen to me, man. The people who buy country music don't want to see people being sissies, dude. And I know what y'all think. Y'all think, well, if I got to. The people that buy our music are hardworking. What a tasteless shirt that is.